taken off the first trim, removed them 2 bolts. 1, 2. So for that you need a T20 torque screwdriver, for that a T20. So that's one of those. So we've got 1 bolt there, 2 bolts there. One more over here. 2 bolts. 1, 2. So 2 bolts there and 1 there. Then you have to remove this outer panel, which is this here. It goes on the side, runs around to the bottom, goes up here. So you have to take this off as well. This just pops off, so you unclip it. So you just pull that down. Just pull that down, this clips off like that. To the side, that just pops off. Okay, if you look closely there, you have another T20 bolt right there. You have another one right there. So you got to remove them 2 bolts to get the CD player out. BMW business CD player radio. And that's the other bolt. After you're taking out the 4 screws, 1 there, 1 there, 1 up there, and 1 over here, under there. Right, you have to take the heater control module out. So I'll show you on this side, it's a bit easier. If you just, this little clip here, that little clip you just push forward towards you, like that, and the heater control module come out, same on the other side. Push. Clips push towards you, it'll come out. So you pull this, the heater control module out, that will come out. Then you'll have 2 more screws, which is Phillips, 1 there and 1 there. Take your time, be careful not to break anything. So you unscrew them. So 1 Phillips, 1 over there. Right, this just slides straight out now. Yep. So this pulls out and you just disconnect it from the back. Just take your time. So a plug. So from the back you have 1 little connector there in the corner, and you have 1 over there. So you just take your time. That's the connector there. That's the plug. So all you want to do is just push this up, take your time with it. Just push up like that. That'll come out.